As well as announcing the availability and pre-ordering of the new Fitbit Versus smartwatch, Fitbit has also launched a new activity tracker for kids aged 8 or over. To make fitness fun for kids and enable them to track steps, activity, and sleep thanks to a shower-proof wristband named the Fitbit Ace. The fitness tracker is available in one size and in a couple of different color combinations offering purple and silver or blue and silver. The Fitbit Ace is capable of tracking your child's daily steps and activity can help keep them motivated by challenging others to step competitions. The Fitbit Ace is now available to pre-order priced at £80 and will start shipping during May 2018. Other features of the Fitbit Ace include sleep tracking, 10 fun clock face designs to choose from, notifications, rewards and badges and a battery life of 5 days between charges. Fitbit has also included a parent view that allows a family account to be set up where a children's activity can be viewed. The Fitbit Ace is equipped with a 3-axis accelerometer, OLED tap display and vibration motor. The Ace wristband is made of a flexible, durable elastomer material similar to that used in many sports watches. The Ace tracker and clasp are made with surgical-grade stainless steel.